What is going on? Okay, so I have to let's see here. Get uh let's see. Good afternoon, Kim. How are you doing? Let me go ahead and get the URL for this stream and we get it on over to TMI because I know he's anxiously awaiting my buffoonery. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Tigers, baby. Yes. Tigers, hookers, Coke. Yes. And when I say Coke, I mean the soda. Okay. Gabe, you ever trade SPX instead of the SPY? You know what? STV asked me that question yesterday. He was like, Gabe, for the money that you're playing with, you should trade SPX. So I'm going to go ahead and look at it, SPX at some point. Uh, I stick with what I'm comfortable with, right? Okay, so TMI got the link and we're waiting for TMI to join the stream. And then we have some fun. Okay. So in the meantime, the spy gave you all kinds of riches today. That call signal right here was everything. Just everything. And you see her zones printing. She stair stepped, right? Breaks through, stair steps, breaks through, stair steps, breaks through, consolidates, right? And then she breaks through. This is woo, woo. All right, Maintain, what is going on? What's up? What's up? Okay, let's get right to it. Waiting for TMI to show his beautiful pearly whites. Hey, anybody from Canada? You guys got like universal dental coverage over there? Cause damn, like damn. Simon wants to know my thoughts on AMC. Okay, you know what? You asked me for my thoughts. Guys, I need your permission. Can I go no filter? Can I go no filter? Kim, thank you. Can I really go no filter with AMC? Asking for permission. Are y'all all coming to just visit North Carolina? That's news to me. What's North Carolina? No filter? No, this is not public. All right. Uh, always rather hear the truth. I don't know if you want me to do it to you. All right. John, what's going on, bro? Okay. No filters the way? Okay. Right. No, I haven't sold. This shit hit 7. I'm fucking out of here. Right. This was the worst allocation of $500,000 I've ever made in my life. Ever. I'm just being honest. Right. Let's see. What's up, Diamond? How you guys doing? Yeah. Washington Heights to the Bronx, go right ahead. Ooh, Heights. St. Nick's, Broadway. Oh, man, Amsterdam, Riverside. Man, love it over there. I don't miss New York, though. I don't. My Lambo would get massacred in those potholes. Marty Scott, what's going on? Now, is this stream? Like, that's actually. Oh, shit, it is public. Oh, damn. I did. I fucked up. All right. Yeah, this was supposed to be a private only Discord stream. And I fucked up here. So we're public. All right. Those who just been gifted access to what we do. All right. This is 1348. This should have been a private Discord for the 1348 crew, but since you are here, okay, I'm going to go ahead. Might as well, right? Shameless plug. Gotta do it. Gotta do it. In the comment section, okay. Let me mute myself here. In the comment section, you guys want to make real money? You guys want to stop being hopium whores? Yeah, hopium whores. That's a new fucking hashtag. You guys want to stop being hopium whores? You know what to do. That's the link. Well, actually, damn it. I gotta edit. I'm gonna remove this. Yes, and I'm gonna add the proper URL. Okay, so you guys know I didn't sew, but I will be honest, it's the worst allocation of a $500,000 ever in my life, in my trading career, right? Does it mean that, does it mean, my feelings towards AMC has changed? No, absolutely not. I always root for the underdog. By the way, guys, trade1348.com/RD. That is pinned to the top of the comments. If you guys want to moass your life and take full control of your life, okay, your financial future, if you want to make your family proud, if you want to go ahead and really unleash your own potential, right? See, everybody else is, especially here on YouTube, it's like, hey, look at me, right? But there's nothing to fucking look at, right? I don't want to see your ugly fucking kitchen. Shots fired. See if I give a fuck, right? When I say, guys, look at me, I'm giving you receipts, right? You guys have seen my trades in November. You've heard my messages in November. I got crucified in fucking November. Okay, cool, right? But I'm a trader first. That's it, right? I got receipts, Lambos, you know, cars each and every fucking month, right? I'm on like that 2 month lease special, right? See, here's the thing, you know, trading has allowed me and afforded me the opportunity to change my life in so many ways. And, when I say $500,000 allocation, I'm thinking to myself, well, damn, that $500,000 allocation into my car dealership would have yielded better returns year over year. Just being frank, $500,000 would have put me at or about less, $50,000 vehicles. That's 10 vehicles right there. You know, make a 10% return, right? And you compound that, right? It is what it is. I'm just going to be frank. So my thoughts on AMC. Well, I really have no thoughts, right? This is 1348. Here on the 1 minute, we got a put signal. We go to the 5 minute, we're fixing for another put signal. Now we talk about support and resistance. If you guys saw my last video, which I made public, we were talking about support and resistance. Okay. Should AMC break below this 200 moving average? Well, expect it to go down. Okay. That's it. That's my analysis. James, how many premium members do you have? Unless you're a premium member, that's none of your fucking business, bro. Okay. Yeah. If AMC drops down to my dollar cost average, which is about $7, I'm no fool. I'll go ahead and sell. And you guys can bash me all the fuck you want. But I told you guys sell in November and reposition, you know. And then we had cucumber ladies crucifying me, right? Cucumber ladies and fucking mad Mexicans with laryngitis. Fucking mad Mexicans with laryngitis. Fucking Mexican ass DMX. Everybody fucking trying to crucify me on a space call. And I stood silent for a minute, but I was moving in silence for a reason. See, if AMC isn't going to help you get to the moon, well, I created a strategy and a plan to help you get there, right? And we got individuals; they have receipts. You could check out our gains channel on our Discord. They're fucking making money. You got guys. You guys see my tweets. You see my fucking tweets. You got guys who are now able to take care of their dad who has cancer. Okay. See, that's what this is all about, right? Is the human element, which means more to me than fucking money. All right. They say money doesn't buy happiness. And they're right. It doesn't until you give it away. And so, I feel like in lieu of giving away my net worth at too young in my life, I'm only 41, that I pass on the knowledge that will allow you guys to amass a wealth that we've been cheering for the past fucking 18 months. That's it. Being honest. Money only solves money problems, but I tell you what, money does generate other problems. And I feel like if you look at the emotional intelligence in this movement, they are not ready for that windfall. They're just not. Yeah, Ryan, I'm older than you, man. So, well, I will be 41 in October. Okay, go Libras. We got any Libras in the chat? When does the new platform come out that gives you the exact contracts to buy? That's coming out within the month. All right. Steve says, Gabe, I went 50K down on 1348, changed my life. I began to rock it up with 1348. Thanks, you big lug. Let me go ahead and show that. That is everything, right? Like, I mean, it's no fucking secret I'm set for life. But I mean, I could go ahead and sell onto the fucking sunset, but no, I feel like I have a mission in life, and I want to go ahead and leave that legacy, and make sure all you motherfuckers show up to my funeral with a hooker on your arm, and make sure on her back you put the price, how much she costs. I mean, I can't see it, but everybody else will be able to see it. That'll be kind of funny. Like, wait, you spent $50 for her? It's fucking great. Okay, the man of the hour is here. End of rant. We are going to get this party started with my man. You know who it is. The man with the dental plan. My guy.
What's up, buddy?
TMI.
Okay, hold on. What was the rant about? I heard about the $5 on her, and I was just like, damn it, I just missed it. What was that about?
Oh, no. We're talking about, like, what this Discord really means. It's more than just making money. It's about changing lives and enabling people, to improve their lives. And you know what? It's a gift that keeps on giving. You could teach your cousins, your family, your mother. You could teach anybody. You put yourself in a situation where you can make money at will because you have that particular skill set. You start looking at the world differently. You start looking at damn, I went to a job interview today and they were just offering me $20 an hour. Like, what?
I know.
$20 an hour, and then you start feeling bad for the girls at the strip club who put in all
Oh
this
wow.
work.
Wait, hold on. Wait. Question. Wait, is this public?
It ended up public. Fucking it just
All right. Just
full
just
sent it.
just just want to quickly heads up. Just make sure we know what time it is, because I was gonna start saying some wild shit, but no, just hold on a little bit. That's cool. All right.
He's
That's
like,
cool.
wait, whoa, we
Because
public? No, we
I didn't know
can't.
I didn't know what kind of response you were looking for, so I was just like, all right, hold on a second. Let's just. All right. Okay. Cool.
Cool, but I mean, these girls are out there
Yeah, I almost
like
went.
demonizing. No, you think about this. These women are out there demonizing
Okay,
themselves,
I was
right?
probably slipping. Oh man, that would have been good. No, but you're right.
All right,
Keep going.
all right. They get out of stripper pole, they demonize themselves, right? Or maybe they like it. Don't know. But to think, right, that they go in every night, piecemealing their life together, $1 at a time. That's fucking wild to me. It is fucking wild to
Let me
me.
ask you a question.
Yo,
What are the size of bills that you throw at the club?
shit, I'm poor at the club, bro. It's like, no, it's just singles. Just singles for everybody. Like,
All
I
right.
ain't, nah,
Okay. All right.
I'm not trying to get hounded by vultures, bro. No, we ain't doing that.
Like I said, see, now they know the Republic. We'll leave it at that. We'll leave it at that. I'm just saying, I have potentially seen some pretty large size bills at a club at a certain point in time. I'm not going to say any names or places, but they weren't
Who is
$1
the
bills.
accomplice? Are you implying I'm the accomplice?
Could never. I would
Dude,
never.
are we gonna have our own Amber Heard trial? Like seriously? Are you implying? The
Defamation
fuck you
suit.
implying, bro?
But no, you know what though? So I'll put it like this, right? So we were texting this morning. We got the guys were texting, and speaking about Microsoft, right? So just chat, just a little quick chat about Microsoft. I'm like, all right, cool. So Microsoft, I got in and open. I told the chat on live. I'm like, hey guys, just so you guys know, there's certain trades I'll get into that I'm not going to mention on the live. If I don't have time to explain what I'm thinking or what's going on there, I'll just do it by myself, and it is what it is. But the quick $20 per contract, roughly 8 to 10, almost 20%, no, probably like 15 to 18% gain in the first 5 minutes of the market hour per contract is more money in the first, and it was literally, and I had the execution time. The execution time was literally today, 9:30 and 36 seconds to 9:31 and 53 seconds. So just over a minute made more money than I would make in an hour at my old job. So you just think to yourself, one, are you taking that profit? Yes. Two, did I have to, and this is not my old job, but came back to what you're saying, did I have to shake any ass, do anything strange for that money? Nope. Just basically had a conversation about what was going on with the stock ticker, what the overall sentiment was, what the news was that came out, what the catalyst was, have a quick little discussion, and then that's it. Puts, make money, in and out. Didn't have to shake any ass for cash.
That's it. I tweeted it. He saw the chart. He said, fuck it, let's go. That's
in and out.
Yeah, well, I didn't tweet it. I messaged it. But yeah, he was like, oh, Gabe, let me look. Oh, shit, chart. Yeah, cool. I'm in.
Boom.
I'm out. Done.
That's it. From sex to Microsoft. Hey, if you want to talk about Microsoft? No, I just play. Don't do that.
All right. Well, you know what? We got to bring this up, right? So, ain't nothing micro and ain't nothing soft.
I'm not going to do it.
Shit, you about to have bruises in the back of your throat.
That's messages from yesterday. I was just like, oh. I talked to you about that afterwards.
Oh man.
Wait, hold on. How is this, Ryan? Why are you always asking me to take off my hat? You know what I feel like? Listen, there's a bunch, and I don't know if you're bald or not. I'm just going by the photo you have right up in your photo. It looks like you're a bald man, which is perfectly fine. There's a lot of bald guys that are asking me to join the bald man community. Guys, I'm not one of y'all. I promise you guys I have hair. Now, I didn't necessarily go get my hair cut yet, but I do have a full head of hair, all right? So once I get myself lined up when my barber's back in office, I'll come to you guys no hat on, all right?
I got hair too,
They thought you were part of the bald man community as well.
If what?
They thought you were part of the bald man community as well.
Yeah, for a while. Yeah, for a while. All right, let's go ahead and look at Tesla. You know what? You are the Tesla whisperer. So let's go ahead and bring up your chart.
I am 10 for 10 right now. I am 10 for 10 right now. I am on a roll. In the last 2 days, 10 for, so to kick off this month so far, 10 for 10. I am willing to go and make a mistake, if that needs to happen the next little while here. But 10 for 10, let's go see where this goes.
Show me your screen, bro. Let's go. Here we go. There we go.
Okay, so we got, let me pull it up here. We got enough lines in the SPY right now. You can map out anything. I'm going to go to Tesla on the 5. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's take a look here. So, to be honest, I'm going to pull Tesla up on the 3 because I think it's probably a lot closer. Oh, yeah. Tesla right now on the 3 is looking suspect. Very, very, very suspect. These lines are getting so freaking close. Now, we've talked about this before several times over, where when the lines are too close, it's not really a solid move. It's not really a solid crossover. It's not really much momentum there. You can see it, the little call put sign where when it goes back and forth, it's not really clean. But I am looking for more downside when Tesla is ready. Now, the main reason why I don't think anything has happened yet, because Tesla did try to dip down, is that the SPY is just shooting. It's just like a shooting star
Yes.
right now. It's just nonstop action here. I'll pull this stuff off so you guys can see it clearly. It's been running for a little while now, and I don't know if this is going to continue. It's been rimming on this 13 for the last, I want to say, all day. Since what time is this? 10:30. So we had a few hours
Yeah.
here, and it hasn't really stopped. We had one little, false breakdown here with 413. Outside of that, this thing's been good to go. So nothing right now. Nothing with Tesla. Not touching anything with SPY right now. If I do see a dip, I'm going to wait for the crossover on the downside, because I do expect there to be a little bit of a pullback either at the end of the day today or tomorrow. That's what I'm eyeing next.
Interesting. 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 Now,
Wait, how did people talk about giving TMI love? Oh, that from yesterday. Oh, got you. Okay.
yes. So now my question is did Tesla make you rich today? Because you love
Tesla,
yourselves. Yeah.
yeah, no, Tesla, I got out with like an 8% gain. It didn't make me rich. This is what I played today. I played Microsoft, SPY, Tesla, Tesla. The last Tesla play that I played on the dip, on the pullback, was a 10% gain. The one before that was an 8% gain. So the last two Tesla plays were severely different. The first one I got in on dip a bit early. After that, it was a decent one.
Gotcha.
Well, we have TA on AMD as it's moving today. Price targets for this week. Now, I know you're going to say you don't do price targets. You just like to play the charts. I'll pull up AMD. No problem.
All right. So we're gonna, you know how we roll. We
Of
don't, we don't,
course.
we don't do none of that. But let's just do it for entertainment purposes only.
I like it. So if I'm looking at AMD right now, I think what you're seeing right now is pretty bullish. The market looks pretty good. The next level of resistance that I'd be looking for would probably be coming over here right around this previous level of support. That's around 112. So you got maybe on the upside to end up this week another, where is my, there we go. Another 3.5 to 4% increase before the next level of resistance. You did get a crossover here on the 4 hour a few days back. It came down, broke over that 200 EMA, looked sexy as all hell, bounced on the 200, bounced on the 13, and they both so happen to be at the same spot, and bounced today. So if you played the rim on the 4 hour yesterday, would allow you to jump into some calls early today and run with it. As soon as it broke over this previous level of resistance here at 104.20, it was nothing but good to go. Let me see, 104.20. If I pull it here on the 5 minute and I go to 104.20, that is right here. This little hitch here, as soon as it broke through this little level of resistance here and it stopped sideways trading, it's been gone, right? So you can see that this was going to be a level of resistance by simply going back to the 4 hour and looking historically at what the charts give you in the Discord, what that resistance looks like, which is right here. You also saw the same thing prior. Level of resistance, this was on May 31st, 104.12 to 104.20. It kind of got stopped in the pre-market. It got rejected in the opening few hours of the day there, and it just came back to retest now, which kind of looks like actually a big freaking cup and handle. Whoa, sorry. A big freaking cup and handle from the 18th and just broke through based off of this here previous level of resistance, right? So yeah, possible. I'm looking at don't do the predictions, but 112, 123 to end off the week at the height.
Okay. So that cup and handle actually illustrates better on the daily. Put it on a daily for a second, and you're also going to see something that makes me nervous, but then makes me bullish. Now, here,
At the 200 EMA right now.
yes. So
Yeah.
at the 200 EMA, right? So again, I'm a conservative trader, right? So if I was in this play, um, I would have the expectation that it does get rejected, right? So
Mhm.
what I would do is I would take my money out, put it on the sideline, and then wait for a confirmation candle. And the confirmation candle would be uh, a nice full body candle above the 200 EMA, and then rock and roll with it, right? Um, this candle If you look at the way she moves, and this is a cadence, you see her cadence, right? Whenever she has, you see the previous big candle
Yep.
before,
Yep.
right? So she had the big candle,
Hmm.
then move sideways. We got a big candle. You know what? There should be some consolidation after a big move like that to legitimize where it's currently trading.
Hmm.
It, absolutely. So, should we get a series of candles that legitimize the price as it is right now? Then I would be ultra bullish on this. And then, we're looking at that next level here, which could be 123, right? The ATR on AMD is respectable. I would have to go ahead and find that. It's easier to find ATR on Webull. But I think if you're going to play this and you're just going to hold, I mean, if you're going to hold the shares, like, why not? If you're going to buy the option, maybe give yourself some time.
Hmm.
But I wouldn't do it this week, to be honest with you.
Yeah. So looking at this, being in this play, I'm not in this play right now, but if you were in this play, I would be looking at this because it did get rejected already from 109.56 to come back down to what would be the 200 EMA. You're not quite seeing that crossover yet. And what I would be concerned with would be the overall market in general and what that's going to look like tomorrow, right? So just keeping an eye on what the overall market trend is. We're seeing a lot of bullish action from the market right now. And again, I'll pull this off. I would just wait to see what this looks like because the SPY isn't quite getting ready to cross over now on the daily. You could see rejection here on the 48. You got
Yeah.
16. So it's just giving me a little bit of pause, a cause for pause. Wait to get a full crossover on the daily for AMD and then potentially execute on the crossover. But then again, like Gabe said, we have seen that huge candle in the sideways trading. So keep your wits about you.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So I want to go ahead and Mark asks a good question here, and we're gonna bring this up here. So Mark asks, and TMI, I'm gonna let you start with your answer here. So Gabe,
Mhm.
can I join? Not knowing a whole lot about charts, I have some idea, but basically would need to start from scratch. What would you say to that?
So I think it's more of a question you kind of have to answer for yourself, right? So you, right? Can you join? Yes, it's very simple. You can join in, you can sign up, like anybody can do it, right? But I think your question is more so, will it be a benefit to you? And the question is like, there's no simple solution to making money in the market. This is not a get rich quick. This is not a you just jump in, you start printing right away. This means you still have to put in work. So if you're willing to invest the time into learning and understanding that it's going to be an uphill battle that you're going to have to keep working towards, then 100% anybody can do it. But if you're not willing to put the time in, if you're just wanting to find some sort of, get quick, get rich quick kind of something, this is not it, right? This is a place where you have a community of people that are invested in learning. And I haven't seen anything like this before. This is me personally, right? So I think is a wonderful chance for you to get, yourself surrounded by people who are in the same situation as you or those who have been in a situation much more experienced than you are, right? I think it's great. Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to answer that question, and then Leo's going to get it. Welcome to my live stream, bitch. All right, so
Oh
Mark,
boy.
Mark, this is how we do it, right? The
Mhm.
fact that you don't know much about anything means that we can teach you good habits off the rip. You see? So, we're going to start you brand new. And again, paper trade account and just follow along on a daily basis. You are getting 9 to 10 live streams each and every week. Just assisting you and showing you the concept, support and resistance, EMA, trend lines, indicators. We break it down. Also, we have probably the most helpful community I've ever seen, and these individuals collectively will lead you and show you the way. So do not be discouraged that you know nothing. We would actually prefer that you know nothing, because we know you're coming without bad habits, right? Without the whole YOLO mindset, right? We
It's
play
true.
scalps, we play base hits, and
Make money,
yeah,
take money.
that's it. Now, Leo, I'm gonna have some fun with you. Paper hand, guys. Yeah, dude, you can call me a paper hand, bro. Guess what, man? I'm still richer than you. All right, let's keep it moving.
New SPY high. So, guys, listen. I know that everybody wants to make a lot of money in the SPY. I know. I'm well aware of it, right? What I would say is this: just be careful. So, what I was talking about before, and I sent that message to the Discord guys, is this: when you get in at these levels here, and I'm gonna do something. I'm just gonna take all of this off right now. When you get in at these levels, guys, and you're unsure of if it's the top or if you're gonna start breaking down, I know that people typically get in with 10% of their accounts. People sometimes get in with more, sometimes people get in with less. I would say, the allocation of 10% of your account should be the average per play. But if you're not confident, and if you're not following the rules, if you are going to do something a little bit more risky, guys, please make sure, if you're not going to follow the rules already, this is just talking to those who are just kind of going all willy-nilly, assess the risk and act accordingly, which means if you get into a riskier play, go in with a smaller percentage of your account. You guys are grown ass people. No one's going to follow you guys around. You guys press the buy and sell button in your own accounts. These plays on these runs here, if you're not confident, you feel like you might be at the top and you're following in and you're well aware of the fact that you're not getting in at the right time, go in small.
Yes.
5%, 4%, 3%. There's nothing wrong with taking $25 gains, $50 gains instead of getting a potential $500 gain. Yeah, of course, you can get the $500 gain potential, but you're also putting yourself at risk for a larger loss, right? So keep that in mind.
That's it. And I'm gonna give Leo just a little bit more attention. One more time, last time. So Leo, I tell you what, you're fucking lucky that I don't get these animals of traders to start day trading AMC because they would get it all fucked up. We buy, we hold, we buy some more. Just because I said publicly that I would sell at 7 because I'm a responsible trader. Dude, I don't owe you a fucking thing. At this point, we're over it. You owe yourself the opportunity to actually make money. If your mom's disappointed in you, I fucking understand why. If your girl left you last night, I fucking understand why.
So
You ain't
people,
moving with big dick energy, bro.
yeah, and
Just
people don't understand. It's so people have often asked, what is the difference between you trading and review dark trading, right? And we spoke with this in the Discord when we speak on BBIG. You're just like, I'm not touching BBIG, and then I bought into BBIG, right? And we had two different opinions there. There's a lot of what happens. A lot of the benefit is opposing opinions and additional thoughts and conversations that go on. That isn't Sesame Street. It's not all hunky dory. It's not all we have to agree on everything at the same time, right? But making people money, learning the fundamentals of trading is where the interest is in, right? People coming in here right now having a discussion about a tweet from months back is not productive in any way, shape, or form to anyone that's currently listening to the live stream. It's not helping anybody make more money. It's not educational. If you want to get ripped on the live stream, you can get ripped on the live stream here. You can get ripped on the live stream tomorrow morning when I'm live around 8:30. I mean, I know you weren't coming in here to rip me, right? But like I am currently witnessing a lot of people learn a lot of shit. Like a lot of shit. You gotta get in there and take a look. From the outside looking in, I know you can say whatever you guys want. I get it. Trust me. Lives been changed. He's changed a lot of people's lives.
that's it. All right. At the end of the day, man, it's just like it is what it is. I'm holding, and I'm holding responsibly. But at this point, I just really don't
But I
owe
think
anybody
I know.
a
I
fucking
think
thing.
people, because you say things that isn't exactly what everybody else is saying, people think that you sold out at $25 or $30, and I'm just like, but I've seen an account with an excessive amount of money in it holding AMC. Like I can't tell somebody else what I've seen, but I'm like I know that it's not it. But the thing is like, you know what? Remember what we said yesterday in the meeting? We're wasting too much time with the free. Let's get back to those who are here to learn. Let's get back to those who want to get this conversation going.
Exactly. You free fucking bums.
But
Kick
oh
rocks.
man, but man,
You
man,
free
man, man, man.
bums. All right. Listen, I got some food stamp vouchers for you. Fuck out of here. Let's go. See if I care. Let's go. Premium, as we were. Let's make some money.
Hello, Sensei. Uh-oh. And Phil Ivey. Oh. Oh man. Oh man, dude, the amount of Tiger Woods and Serena Williams had a baby. It was you. Tony T says, "I'll take food stamps." Okay, so
Man.
wait. Question. What are you guys looking at right now? Because I know SPY is ripping. Something else must have been coming down that's turning back around now. Something else must be coming. I can even pull up the 4 at the same time. Look at. Boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh,
Like
boy.
Jane, just looking at my sandwich.
Oh, boy. Okay. All right. So what we're going to do here, guys. You know what? I can't get an entrance into Tesla right now. Damn. Okay. That's all right. Tesla was getting ready to come down for a little while. Like it was just that thin line that we were speaking about, where it's like you can't quite trust it. But I think it just took a run with the SPY just now. Damn.
Hmm.
The way that it moves, man. The way that it moves is something different.
Man,
SQQQ.
I just oh my god. Okay, so I'm looking at Tesla right really quick. Um okay, so you see, like you could literally see this with Tesla. It's definitely consolidated for well since what 12:30 on Tesla,
Mhm.
right? Uh no, I'm not liking it, dude. It I think Tesla needs to breathe a little. I think she needs to make that move at the very minimum back down to the 48.
Oh,
And then
I'm
we
yeah,
have
I'm
a
trying to get on the downside. No, I'm with you. I'm trying to get on the downside. Yeah. But what I'm saying is
yeah,
this: when I was looking at the lines here come this close in balance, I was looking for the put sign, but I was saying I don't like it because it's been so close for long. It didn't give me that momentum cross, right?
yeah,
So once it starts doing this is when you get caught with things like this, right? People might get in a bit early and they're seeing this and they're saying, oh, here it comes, and they might get in a bit early, and now you guys are waiting for 1:30 to 2:30. You're an hour later, you're still in that same price range, right? Because you front loaded. If you just wait for the actual cross to happen, wait for that little indication, at least you know, okay, here it's coming, right? But it didn't cross, it's just sideways traded. Leave it alone. Leave it
yeah,
alone until it's time.
yeah. Leave it alone. Let's see. Marky Mark. Okay, guys. Oh, fuck. No super chats here. I don't want them. I mean, if you guys are going to give me super chats, then I'm going to start dressing like a Baptist preacher.
Where would that come from?
Guys, the only reason why I say that is because this should have been a Discord only. This should not have been public, so that's boo boo on me. But if I ever do make this blooper again, please, just yeah, let's just avoid that. All right, so let's see. People love to leverage their emotions with hope. Yeah. Now, somebody said you were going to cover Microsoft. Are you covering Microsoft right now?
I pulled the Microsoft right now because I saw Shells put in the Discord. I am in Microsoft. Anybody else in a Microsoft call? So I just wanted to take a quick look at it. It looks pretty good right now. I don't know how long people that are in Microsoft might be in Microsoft, especially if those calls are due tomorrow. But I'll tell you guys this: like, if you guys are in calls for what time is this? 12:30. It's about 2 hours now. Be prepared, guys. You're looking at. I mean, we've done this before, right? This is the theta. Whoa, come on now, right? You have here the time, you have here the value. The value is high on Thursday, right? And the value comes down to low, right? So this is the day for Thursday, okay? Right now, you're about midday on a Thursday. It's already starting to get down here. By the time it gets to tomorrow, guys, if you guys still hold on to those calls, you gotta be prepared. If it doesn't have that same momentum, if it's not moving and keeping that same momentum all the way through, you're gonna see this thing dip down. The only way the value stays even or goes up is if this thing starts going parabolic. Like, this momentum shift is huge. So at a certain point in time, guys, start to understand, okay, you know what? Maybe I either take profit and get further out calls if you're still seeing nothing wrong with this thing, because theta will factor in if this is a weekly play. So keep that in mind. All right.
Yes, keep that in mind.
It
So
looks, I mean, it
now,
looks good.
all right, first glance, ascending channel, and then we have resistance established here in pre-market. I think you might see a little bit more of a run there,
Mm-hmm.
and then a rejection.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm looking at this on the 5 minute. Um, if
Yeah.
you're in this call, you've made your money, right? I always, I mean, I love playing support and resistance. I mean, it just keeps me, for lack of a better term, woke. You know what I mean? Like, it's just like I'm fully aware of price action, and basically my trading strategy is built around support and resistance, right? That's why I only take my 5%, and that's pretty much it. So be careful with this here. If you look at RSI as it stands right here on the 5 minute, severely overbought.
Mm-hmm.
And like what goes up must come down. We haven't seen red histogram in quite some time throughout the whole day, right? So we're
It's
seeing,
just starting. Yeah, it's just starting
yes,
to show a little bit of pink.
it's starting to show a little bit of pink. So I would be cautious. I would be cautious. Now, um, I don't know. If you're in this play, I think your first clue would be once the RSI breaks below its moving average here, and it's super tight right now. Definitely tight, the RSI and its moving average. Once you get that break below, I think just secure the bag. You always want to play it safe, right? This is a game of making money, not giving yourself ulcers. Okay,
Yeah, I like that.
so
Yeah,
yeah,
and this little cross down, it kind of bounced over here on our side a little bit. Didn't quite cross over, which is decent. As you guys can tell, it kind of just settled on the 200 EMA and then ripped again. But once you got this little actual break of the RSI, it just gives you a little bit of hesitation with holding on to your calls, especially guys if you guys got in, even at the 200 EMA at 270, you're currently at 273. You're probably up a decent percentage right now. You're probably up at least 15% with those calls, right? So be careful.
yeah,
So somebody said, Tima, I know Gabe's answer, but how much does news influence a possible trade? I know STV looks at it, but do you pay attention much or strictly just charts? Well, I think there's a few different things here, right? News can definitely affect things, but I like to look at the news and then see if there's a reaction because sometimes news will have no effect or have the opposite effect, right? It's just news has me highlight what could potentially move, not how it's going to move, right? If I see it moving, I'll get in late, get out early. But to answer your question in short, yes, I will watch the news. But no, I do not depend on news to see how things move. They'll more so just help me highlight which stock tickers to watch or which sectors to watch or something along those
yeah.
lines.
All right. I'll add to that, but let's get on over to Neo. So basically, I always I always like to say that the chart is a painting of human emotion, and when news pops, emotions follow, right? And
Mm-hmm.
so, like for instance, with Microsoft, emotions responded to their fourth quarter outlook. They're like, uh oh, fourth quarter just might not be so hot, and emotions followed. And so, you know, yes, news can be a catalyst. You have to respect the news. You do. But even then, if you know that the news is a catalyst, whether it's up or down, you still have to play the chart. You still have to play the chart. Oh, Tesla. Neo, by the way, Neo guys, it's fallen within a channel really quick, and you have support and resistance right there,
Oh
and
yeah.
things aren't looking so hot right now. So if you manage to get into this Neo call, just take that bag. That bag is beautiful, definitely beautiful. But indications are saying like, yeah, this rally is coming to an end, right? Just like when you pop that Viagra, you're good for what, 4 hours tops, and you're done.
But I don't know. Couldn't tell you. Couldn't tell you. Don't know.
I mean, if it's 4 hours, that is a good day, right? I mean,
That's
that's
a
that's
listen. I am the captain of the 3 minute men. Okay, we like to say that 3 minutes is a lot when you're going 90 miles an hour, right? So we don't. I don't know anything about 4 hours. I don't know anything about 2 hours. We just like scalp trades, just in and out, 2 3 minutes. You know what I mean? Make your money, take your money. That's it. That's it. But
Wow.
if Gabe's like, what the fuck did this guy just say? Now, if Tesla does end up having a little bit of a pullback, guys, I will definitely be risking the perfect month so far on the line for a trade if its setup is nice. Okay, the lines in the 5 minute now much more separated. If we see something direct, the RSI crossed down, MACD's trying to it turned green for a second, started going back a little pink again. If we start to see this come down, and cross down below that 760 level, we'll have a talk. 760 to 740, 760 to 745. I like that. What's this next level of resistance? If we get what's this at right now? Yeah. Well, if that happens, let me just put it in chat and we'll talk through what the bid ask spread looks like. Cause I'm down to listen. We haven't missed today. We're not gonna start missing now.
No, we have not been missing. We have not been missing. So as it stands right now on the 5 minute, you do have support at 774.55. So, but that's just
Oh
in
yeah,
this
yeah.
channel here,
Yep, yep,
right?
yep, yep.
And that also corresponds to at about where the 48 is.
Yep.
Hmm. Now we remember we did this yesterday with the SPY.
Exactly.
I'm not a betting man, but if I was,
That thing came, and I wasn't trading in the afternoon yesterday because I was like, I just want to be perfect for the month. So I was like, all right, I'm 4 for 4. I'm gonna let it be. But today I'm like, I don't have to go. I don't have to have 2 days being perfect trading. It's just like, listen, one day is enough. You can say you traded the month perfectly so far. Like it's fun. After that, just take your shots. You're gonna miss a few, but you'll win more than you miss.
yeah. I mean, we have some people winning 93% of their trades. I know myself historically, I'm in the high 70s, sometimes the 80s. And I just really don't count anymore. But I will tell you this I, I'm surprised when I lose.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just surprised, and that's the thing, when you do this for long enough, like you said, you're 10 for 10, right?
Yeah,
You
last
build
two
in that
days.
hot streak, you do this long enough, and you're just like, why did I lose? But you take that losing moment as a learning experience. And if you look at what Tesla just did, here she goes. She came right down to the 48,
Oh
right
yeah.
down to that level. So we got some things to start watching now. Shit
I
just got serious.
Yep. I just saw the calls go from 240 to 270. So I'm just gonna get ready to get set up. Come on down, baby. Come on down.
Oh, he's getting his setup, guys. He's taking his trade.
We'll see. I was gonna
So
jump in early, and I was like, no, we can't do that right now. We're not gonna jump in early. But this is good. When the time comes, I'll let you guys know.
there you go. So basically, textbook 1348 right here with Tesla, right? Support resistance. It channeled. The 48 was right there. And if the SPY, we got to look at what the SPY is doing right now because that'll give us just an idea of what Tesla should be doing in the
Yeah.
next coming moments. So we bring up the SPY.
Spy doesn't quite look the same in that 5 minute though.
Ooh.
It's not quite. Yeah. Hold on a second. It's not quite giving me.
I'm not convinced.
Yeah. Just not yet, people. Just not yet. Let me see here. I'm gonna put this on the 3 minute to get an idea, just so I can see if it matches up.
Oh, Jorn, don't be so hard on yourself. I don't touch Tesla. Tesla a little too a little too risky for my blood. That's a next level hooker for me. I'm not ready for that emotional damage.
I told you, man. This is for the 3 minute 3 minute man capital. I'm telling you guys, you gotta be quick with Tesla. We can't wait 4 hours. This bad boy. There's no emotions, in and out quickly, and be prepared because she's sporadic.
Oh yeah, be prepared.
Also, if
So
Elon tweets, anything could happen. There's like another catalyst for a few tickers out there. If you're in crypto, Doge, watch yourself. I was rich before Elon tweeted. Is a mug that's out there, which is hilarious. Um, if you're it's Twitter now, Doge, and Tesla. Those three tickers. If a tweet goes out, anything can happen at any given time. Be prepared. Yeah, guys,
Yes.
Spy's not giving me that bearish vibe that like Tesla wants to come down, and Spy's like, not today.
Yes. Yeah, you got some contradiction here. Elon's a bad boy. Oh my, he told everybody, you get your ass back to the office, or I consider you resigned.
Yep, this guy does not care. This guy does not care whatsoever. He doesn't give a damn. I was just like, there's no way he said that. Look at the news. I was like, yep, they quoted it. Okay, it is what it is. But you know what though? I think, well, I know everyone has their own opinion on it. I think if he's saying that, he's probably looking at his overall production. He's
Yeah.
probably thinking something's probably off. I need to fix it. I don't know if that's the solution, but we're gonna find out.
Okay, AMD tanking. Really? Let's go ahead and take a look at that.
AMD's tanking. I mean, across down. All right, I think tanking might be a little bit overstated, but
Yeah.
it's definitely seeing a little bit of pullback. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Yeah. Little overstated.
Get this bad boy
But
out
for
of
the
here.
life of me, why would somebody stay in this play after these type of gains? I want somebody in the comments to please explain to me why you would still be in this play. What's your logic?
Yeah, because that means that you would have been sideways trading for an hour, 2 hours, an hour and 50 minutes of doing nothing.
And if your contract expired tomorrow, you know what that hour was? Data
10,
burn.
10, 15% just off of doing nothing. Like, that is wild. Because the thing too is like all the implied volatility that built up throughout this whole process. Implied volatility is up, implied volatility comes down a little bit, it goes back up again, and then you just see the implied volatility come down for the last like half an hour, 2 hours. It's just like shit.
Daisy.
Plus theta. It's just the whole thing is just coming down.
Yeah. Daisy says the whole country is going to burn. Watch the news. What just happened? Fink said policy is the issue with inflation. Hmm. Hmm.
Hold on a second. That's interesting. Okay. Uh Boeing, Chewy, UUU pulled back a significant amount. Let's see here. Yeah, I don't. I think that might have been like a very general statement. I haven't seen anything too crazy. I think the only reason why the market was half bullish today was because certainty was priced into the market because they did make a comment on inflation and the rate hikes. I'm like, okay, as soon as you make a comment on the rate hikes, at least people know what's kind of going on here. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Don't tempt me with a good time. Test like, hey, Spy, you come down here and test that 48. I swear to God, I'll buy puts. Ooh. Don't. Hey, look. Bounce off that 48 a few times. Come on now. Come on
Come
down
on
to
now.
Tinseltown.
I said at the very least she had to come down to the 48. Did we not say that here? You
Yep.
saw this live.
Yep.
I'm about to start a 1-900 number. Seriously. And when you guys call, the first thing you're going to hear me say is, stop being a dumb fuck. Secure the bag.
Secure the bag alert. AMD, AMD, please. TA is tanking. AAA, yikes. I don't think it's tanking, my friend. Is that the same comment you saw before? Oh,
This is getting interesting. Okay. Broke Ape says, guys, what would a long-term portfolio look like or having it? Let's go back and forth with this, TMI. I'm going Ford and AT&T off the rip. What you thinking?
I like VOO. Long term, I like Tesla. At these prices, so there's a a certain segment of people that don't like BlackRock, Vanguard, and State Street Capital, right? I personally think that Vanguard, in regards to investing long term, has several different ETFs with different sectors that are of interest to people. VTO, VOO, those are great to kind of take a look at. I think any one of those are great. Tesla, like I think Apple is beautiful. And then I'd be looking for some split plays, right? Apple, I mean Amazon, Google. Keep an eye out for those for the summertime. I like tech right now. I like tech and some ETFs stay safe.
Okay. Okay.
I know you
He
like. I
says
know you like.
guidance. AMD's going down. I told you, get out. Jesus Christ.
You're saying it's going down like it's a bad thing. Like you're not preparing yourself for puts.
Secure the bag and then play the other direction.
The Fed doesn't have tools to fix the supply problem. Yeah, that is true. That is true. They also don't have tools to fix the inflation problem because they printed too much money, and printing money is what helped in 2008 to get out of the situation. But oh my, okay, guys, what you're about to witness right now is a grown man going to work. 777.60.
Yeah, guys, now you understand why our Discord is priced at 69? Because we go both ways, baby. We flip it up. Face down, ass up. That's the way I like to fuck. Let's go. Make that money. Come on. It's very, very easy. TMI is just like, I'm never coming out a live stream again.
Hey, listen. I'll tell you. This is what I said. This is what I said yesterday, right? Obviously, you guys know Gabriel, right? You guys already know he goes flagrant, right? But I'll tell you this. Even on the live stream yesterday, and I stopped trading in the afternoon. I was like, let me just not. And then I came on. I was just like, oh, I should have definitely just kept trading because it was just money in the bank, right? It was just money in the bank. I think it's pretty clear cut when you get certain signals that allow you to monitor certain plays over a certain point in time and get comfortable in the market, and you understand what you're looking for, and you start checking off these boxes. You can start getting some very, very, very lucrative plays in the market. Now, SPY is starting to see a little bit of a bounce here, a little bit of bounce at 414.60. I don't think there's any. There was a little bit of support there actually. Just a little bit. So keep an eye on that. 414.50. That's all right. Okay. So what am I looking for right now with Tesla? What I want to see is a cross with the 5 and a breakdown below the 200 DMA. 760. This was highlighted from, when did we highlight this? 15, 20 minutes ago maybe? When the stock drops into this zone here, that's when I want to execute. I am printing. Oh, go ahead.
I'm ready. So, for those, because you know what? Fuck it. Listen, it was a mistake. I went public with this, right? So, all of you guys who are just acting like peeping toms, like, ooh, what are these guys talking about? Yeah, well, I'm going to show you, right? We got Johnny here with a predictive cross and printing. Yeah, we got bots in our Discord. We got really smart fucking bots in our Discord. Seriously, and we're printing and we're making money. Right? Seriously, $69. That equates to $3.13 a day. I mean, it might as well. It ain't like you're going out there buying condoms because you ain't getting no ass. So, let's go ahead and make that money. What you guys scared of? Ain't nothing to be scared of. We're here to make you print. Seriously. Right? You're out there like, yeah, I'm going to go get a venti. The fuck? Seriously? You gonna go get a venti? You gonna spend $6 on some fucking coffee? Right? You gonna shit that shit out in 45 minutes. But that $3.13, that would have got you in on that SPY call, that AMD call. Man, you getting ready to take your wife to fucking Sizzlers. And she'd be happy. Like, oh my, where'd this come from? We haven't had a date in years. And you're just like, bitch, I'm rich. And then you go ahead and get a new wife. That's simple. That's your fucking game plan.
See, now you could hop in here and be like, Gabe, slow down, or you could just let him get off his chest. It's a good story. He
Hey,
told.
if Lou can do it, so the fuck can I.
Sometimes that guy tells stories. He tells a story about ducks. I don't know what the hell's going on. I'm just like, what? Talking about Godzilla. And sometimes I remember having to watch a story because I was live streaming once. Someone's like, "You have to see this new video." I thought it was some sort of crazy DD. I was like, "Oh damn! All right, we got DD. This guy's out in the park talking about ducks. Mind you, you can talk about whatever the hell you want to talk about." But I was like, "What are we doing here? What are we doing here?"
Oh man, Clap 64 says $69 is too much when Walmart has some reasonably priced knee pads. Oh shit, we going there. We going there. Well, okay. Now the next question is yeah, those knee pads are cheap. But how much is that motherfucking lip filler going to cost you? Listen,
God
if you're
damn.
going to do the job, you're going to do it fucking right. If you're going to be the best, if you're going to be a dick sucker, be the best dick sucker out there. Right? Alternatively, if you
Oh,
want to be the best trader, be the best trader out there. Invest in yourself. Like, I just don't get it. You know, people go ahead and spend tens of thousands of dollars for a fucking associate's degree. They half-ass it with a fucking associate's degree.
there's something to be said. Well, I mean, okay. Now we can say that, right? When it comes down to post-secondary education, there's got to be somebody standing out there with a mask and a gun, robbing people, everyday people, with this education BS that is charging people 5 figures a year. I'm not talking about room and board. For what? I don't understand sometimes. Some of the prices attached to some, of the borderline free education that's already out there is crazy, right? Looking at this, it's 2022. There's nothing you can't learn online right now in the right environment. If you're paying, and I don't want to discourage kids from going to school, I mean, do what you have to get done. But if you're paying a shit ton of money right now to go to school, you gotta make sure that shit is worth it. Like, make sure something you guys can actually use, because the debt, the life for the next 20 years after, all these things are being affected by a piece of paper that you just can wipe your ass with, can never use it again in your life, right? So if you're gonna go to school for something you're actually gonna use, or figure your shit out. Figure that shit out, because you guys in the States, y'all charge a boat. You guys charge the bag. You guys charge the bag for school. Mind you, great education system. You guys got some, top of the line schools there. But
I'm gonna
we're
add
talking
something to
30,
this.
40,000 a year. I'm just like, oh my God.
Yeah. You spend $40,000 a year just to show your boss that you're coachable and trainable, and that you can subscribe to corporate culture. Meaning, right? You spend all that money on yourself to do what he tells you to fucking do. It's not like your boss invested in you and your growth. No, he's like, yeah, congratulations. Yeah, good. Yeah, okay, $30 an hour. You got to be fucking kidding me. $30 an hour? Dude, I could not live on $30 an hour. Just, I'm sorry. I know. I'm sounding like I'm sounding aloof and disconnected.
No, I think
but
no, I feel like once, so it's different, right? It's everyone has to be able to live by what they can hunt for. You know what I mean? You can eat what you can hunt for. At a certain point in time, if you are living based on your own salary and you were to switch back to your old salary, no one would be able to go back to their original salary if they're 5, 6, 7 years, 10 years into their corporate jobs. Your lifestyle changes, right? But to think about the debt sometimes that people have coming out of school, and then to not get paid like they also have debt, not like they're trying to live, but they also have debt to pay off, is nuts. It's stressful.
it, it, it yeah, dude. In my day, well, let me see. I graduated high school back in 1999. Imagine that, right? That's a whole different era, right?
Yeah.
But in that time, every single woman I knew went to school to be a nurse because the money was good, right? Nurses were getting paid, right? But they weren't becoming real nurses. They were becoming certified nurse assistants, or CNAs, right? That was the fucking hottest job on the block.
Right. Benefits, good money.
Yeah, yeah,
You get
yeah,
3 days on, 5 days off. Yeah. I don't know what
yeah.
the split was.
You
Something else.
spend your whole day cleaning shit off the ass of an elderly man, making $16 an hour, flexing with a fucking Acura TL, talking about you
But
made it in
wait,
life.
but hold on. $16 an hour is different back then. $16 an hour now with inflation is nuts. $16 back then is a bit different though. Wait, what's minimum wage right now for you guys?
Yeah, minimum, dude. I haven't worked in 20 years, bro. So I don't fucking know. See if I care.
Yeah, what's minimum wage in chat? Just an idea. I couldn't even tell you. Is it like what, $15 an hour? I don't know.
Is it minimum wage 15? I mean, some states
Minimum
have a
wage.
minimum
Okay, so I'm
wage.
seeing 7.25 and 15. That is a huge difference. Yo,
Ooh,
nine.
federal is 725.
Golly.
Federal is 725. Just think about that for a second. Oh man, you know what, dude? I can't. I need to just shut my fucking mouth. Today, I'm just on one. I apologize, guys, because
Nah, he goes for it. He goes for it. He goes for it. Hold on. All right. So listen, anyone who's currently waiting for the Tesla put to come, it jumping in early, burn you. You just gotta wait for the things to start happening. It hasn't quite started happening yet. I pulled up on the 3 minute. It had the put. It still crossed over. It hasn't quite come all the way back yet, but it has not crossed in the 5. I'm waiting for it. I am looking at AMD. AMD got a bit of a bounce there. Tesla got a bit of a bounce there too. I'm guessing the SPY did as well. Just SPY got a big bounce there. Just waiting for it. When the time comes, you'll know.
all right, let me go ahead and let me do this really quickly. Yeah, that's how much your country fucking loves you, right? The states had to lift minimum wage. The federal government didn't give a fuck about you. It's 725 an hour. Just let that sink in. Let that sink in. That is wild to me. That is wild to me.
So inflation was up 13% at the beginning of this year.
Yeah.
13% at the beginning of this year. Minimum wage wouldn't reflect a 13% increase on an annual basis. Like if minimum wage is $7, now you know what? That's tough. So mind you, if you are in chat right now and you are working minimum wage jobs, right? You should definitely be able to understand how much a 5% gain can mean. Like put it in perspective, right? If you're talking about making roughly anywhere between, let's say, $50 an hour and less, scalping those trades, taking those wins, you're saving an hour of time every single time you do that. Not right now, but in the future. You know what I mean? And that compounds. $25. That's not $25 an hour, Eddie. There's no way. That must be a different country.
Uh, I'm let's see here. I want to know this. I need to know this. We're gonna drive this point home a little more. Uh, okay. So the federal government says the American people are worth $7.25 an hour, right? But the people who seek your vote, Nancy Pelosi, clears $193,000 a year. And let's not even talk about what the fuck her husband does, right? But she's for the people. The people who are voting her in. $7.25 an hour. Yeah. No, you know what? They could all suck a big fat Dwayne the Cock Johnson. See if I give a shit. We're here to change lives. We want you guys to make money, some serious money. And you have the skills to do it. And it's here in this Discord. And you know what? I don't sugarcoat a fucking thing. I give it to you guys straight. And if I see you guys in a trade way too long, I will tell you get the fuck out. I will scream it
Yeah.
each and every morning
Yeah. And I
because
think
I want you guys to secure the bag. Period.
Yeah, and
Make that
I
money.
think I'll add this to the point too as well, right? Because some people are like, guys, you gotta be careful around with Vidor. He's a dick. And just like, you don't think I know that? You don't think I know he'll say some fucked up shit that'll get you fucked up? Yes, I see him making a lot of people a lot of money on a daily basis. I've weighed my options. I definitely have. I've weighed, okay, he's going to come off like a dick sometimes, but I can see people changing the mindsets the way they move in the markets, right? Sometimes you need a wake up call. Sometimes you do. Welcome to the wake up call. This is your wake up call. Right now, this is your wake up call. Wake up.
Wake up.
There's money to be made. There's money to be made in the market right now, and what you guys are going to watch right now is when Tesla drops into this little circle of mine, and I cash out. That's what we're waiting for. We're going for that 11th trade today. It is getting close to 130. So if it gets to 130 before this happens, I'll probably bail out of this bad boy. But we'll see what happens.
Yeah. By the way, disclaimer: if you suffer from emotional damage previously, then the market might not be for you.
Somebody said he's not a dick, he's a man. No, you can be both. You can be both. Listen, there are times on the live where I can be a dick too to people. It just happens. And sometimes it's even by mistake. Someone came in and they said, hey, look, I was just repeating what somebody else said, and I ripped on somebody else's girlfriend. And I was just like, oh, my bad, buddy. I even called him on the stream afterwards. We chatted it out. Like, you can be a dick. It's perfectly fine. But what I'm saying is, sometimes you just need a wake-up call. It might not come the way you want it to come. It might not knock on your door and say, hey, how's it going? It might knock on your door and then just rip you outside. Either way, you just want a wake-up call, right? You want people to start trading better. You want people to kind of get out of the mindset of, do it for me. You have to get people to get in that mindset of learn, educate yourselves, learn properly how to get in and out of trades, how to take base hits, how not to wait for somebody else to tell you how to do what you do. You kind of learn and pick it up so you can make it yourself. And that's the key thing here.
Yeah, well,
a dick is a liar. No, I think you guys got the dick thing all wrong. All right, so maybe the dick is the right way.
I just come from a different generation. Like you just see the dynamics of society right now. You got a bunch of men raised by women, coddled by their mothers, becoming sensitive little fucking bitches, right? Going out there, leaving their home to get some bitch pregnant, talking about I'm gonna chill here, play video games. I'm gonna borrow your Nissan Altima while you at work, cleaning old people's asses.
Andrew,
but it's your job
Ivan,
to take care of me, right?
Get this right there. Get this, okay? Someone please get this. I know you guys are out there somewhere. Someone please get this right now. Now I'm gonna need to see this back. This is good.
All right. It's just, you got a bunch of men who don't know how to be men anymore. It's just a fucking bunch of beta men, right? Everybody is, woke and just like, I have to watch what I say. Why the fuck do we have to watch what we say? I mean, Richard Pryor, Eddie Murphy, those guys. You really
please tell me you guys need to get this.
The minute Eddie Murphy went commercial, that motherfucker was dead to me. Richard Pryor would never go that way. George Carlin would never go that way, right? They just wouldn't. They give you that tough love. They speak the facts. They tell you the truth. One of my favorite skits with George Carlin, right? He was talking about how people have so much shit, and then they go to Hawaii to bring their shit with them. It was the best skit of my fucking life, but it was the goddamn truth. And you know what? Sorry, I said God, but it's just, for me, it's just the truth. You guys need to just like really step the fuck up, because you got women out there that are now confused and not sure if they want to suck dick or eat pussy because you're not a man enough.
Someone clip this, please. Guys, please. Somebody clip this shit. God damn. You got this. I know someone's got this shit. It's all right. We'll watch this back. Listen.
It's true.
No, I'm not stopping. I'm not stopping shit. I'm letting this shit run. No. I'm not
dude. It's just how I feel, man. This shit just been bottled up on me. It's been bottled up in me, man. Let it out. You got these women, like seriously. And then you got some dude like me, coming into a strip club and shit, making it rain. Like, bitch, why I'm supporting you? Why am I supporting you while you're a man out there playing fucking Call of Duty?
All right. Look, hey,
Why the fuck you sending me
don't cut it
messages on
halfway through.
Instagram
Don't cut it
like,
halfway
Gabe,
through.
come
Get the
see me.
whole thing.
Come see me, Gabe. Come see me. Like, no.
God damn.
Seriously.
This is good.
Why the fuck I gotta go see you? You know what I mean? Like,
No. I mean, go. You tell him. You tell him. Go ahead. You tell him.
tell your man go see a headhunter. Like, why I gotta take care of you and your kids? Why I gotta provide for your fucking diapers? Because your man can't do it.
Oh my days. Somebody out there feels triggered.
No, I'm yo, this is fucking emotional damage right now.
Somebody
man.
out there is feeling triggered.
Yo, it's just the truth. So you know, if you're gonna come into this Discord, just know that you're gonna be led by men. And you know what? I love TMI and I love SGB because they're that counterbalance to me. And I'm a Libra. I need balance in my life. So these dudes keep me anchored. But you know, there's some times, man, you gotta let the dog off the leash. And I've been had this shit bottled in for a very long time.
You don't say. You don't say.
Right? You know, these fucking Reddit kids, right? These kids got no fucking trading experience, and you are taking advice from a fucking 19-year-old who lives in a basement and jerks off to a warm fucking towel over midget fucking porn. Like,
Oh my god. Hey, dude, don't stop on my behalf, please. I'm just with everybody else in chat right now. I'm putting my feet up. I'm watching the show. No, this is it. This is it right here.
Oh man, I'm making myself crack up too much right now. Yeah, I laugh at myself, man, because it's just true, man. It's like, oh man, I can't contain myself. It's just so funny.
So let's do both. Let's do both. Because I know what's gonna happen next. All right, so hold on a second. Take this in. If somebody expressing their thoughts right now, we're approaching the 1:30 cutoff time right now, so it's kind of like, you know, I'm not gonna really force anything in the market. So let's just chill for a second. If somebody expressing their thoughts right now, has feeling like, you know, people are just too soft today, I think it's accurate. People are very soft today. I think there has been a huge shift. Now, I don't know how soft people have been. Gabe obviously thinks it went from 9 to 0 too quick, and he lets you guys know exactly how he feels. Let him get that shit off his chest. Let him get that shit off. If someone said big hug.
Yeah, big hugs. I'm just cracking myself up, you know. And then when you guys lose your fucking asses, you go ahead and form a group on fucking Reddit talking about, like, yeah, show your lost porn. No, seriously, you're just highlighting your fucking cognitive capacity. You're a dumb fuck. Why are we celebrating dumb fucks? Like, seriously, it wasn't even your money. You used fucking margin, which makes you an even bigger dumb fuck. Okay, I'm done. Sorry.
Hold on a second. I gotta go through these messages. Like, people are talking right now. I just can't. Hold on a second.
Hold on. This dude just said it. Wait, people want Daddy Fed and SEC to save them. They're telling you worth fucking $7.25 a fucking hour. You think they're gonna come around and save you?
The SEC made it very clear. You saw the video they put out yesterday?
Oh man, they made it very clear. Like, you guys sitting there waiting for the fucking Messiah. Like, you kidding me? You fucking hopium whores? Jesus Christ. Okay, I'm done.
Oh my God. Hey, well, listen, you know the funny thing is? When I watch this shit back, that's gonna be the funny thing. I'm gonna go get myself some popcorn. Go get myself, you know what we'll probably do? I know what we're gonna do. I'll message you afterwards. I know exactly what's gonna happen with this. This is gonna be funny. This is going to be funny. All right, people. No. Let it be. Listen, you could, if I cut this shit off halfway through, tell me the truth in chat. Would you have enjoyed it? If I cut it off halfway through, I said the game's over. I think you just gotta let it go. You just gotta let it run. All right. You just gotta let people cook sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Just let them cook. It's
We
getting
cooking with
close.
Crisco, baby.
It's getting close.
Yeah. All right. We good. I'm
Gabe
done.
talk about someone's don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Let that one be. Let that one be. Now look at the chat. Looking at the chat.
I'm done. We good.
All right, check. Don't say it out loud. Just check the chat. What we just said, and you'll peep the one where I'm just like, don't go down that path.
Wait, I missed something.
I'll type it to you.
Uh-oh. Oh, man. Let's see. Left and right. Okay, so let's get back into this. What do you guys think of today's GME shareholder meeting results?
We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Any results in the charts? Give me a second. Give me a quick second here. Before the meeting was at 11 o'clock. The stock was at 133. It's now 135. It's gone up a couple percent here. Nothing at this time. Maybe next week there'll be something interesting. I don't know if there's actual date yet for the actual dividend. So there's not much we can really go on at this time.
Yeah. And you know what? I want to dedicate that rant to my man, Tyler Wilson. They fucking got him canceled on Twitter. He's got to come back with a new Twitter account with Tyler Wilson. Yeah, Tyler Wilson's got a whole new Twitter page because, well, apparently
what's his
beta fucking Care Bears out there just can't tolerate the realness.
What's his Twitter account?
Yeah, it sure as hell ain't El Jefe anymore. Hold on. Let me pull him up. Guys, it is. Yeah, I'm dropping some names here. You guys make sure you go ahead and follow at Tyler Wilson 2PT0, as in 2.0, right? So it's at Tyler Wilson 2PT0. He's back, right? But we had that conversation today. It's a damn shame, right? It's funny though, right? You guys want us to normalize into your bitch assness. Like, why do we have to normalize into bitch assness? You know what? It was warriors since the beginning of time, right? That assured our continuity as a fucking species. Not fucking beta ass, still sucking on mom's tits kind of. Okay, yeah, back to charts. Mom ain't even got no milk no more. That shit, that dried up carnation shit. This is like that dried up powder stuff that you get from the church. I remember them days. This shit was great with peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Okay, we're done.
Wait. He's back. Yeah, I
got him. No.
I found him. No. Tyler. Tyler Wilson's back. Oh, you mean Gabe's back? Well, he's going in and out right now. He's trying to figure out if he's done or not. I don't know if he's finished.
Oh, dude, but the views are going up. Apparently, people just getting a yeah. You guys love this shit. You love to see degenerates, right? Yeah, I'm fucking Captain Degenerate. Do you know how many times I would drop on my own fucking head? Ta-da! It came out okay.
Spy 416.
Like I said, the best thing my dad ever did was not pull out and bust me all over the floor. That was it. Let that sink in.
That was deep. That was low-key deep. That was low-key. Didn't come off that way at the starting. I was just like, wait, what does he mean? He did his job. He had you. And then you're saying he did nothing else.
Yeah. Dude, actually, you know what? We're going to end this live stream. I want to get a tattoo of a $100 bill on my dick, so we got to go.
Oh, wait. Give me 5 seconds here.
All right. No, I got 3 good reasons.
And now I'm trying to think of the 3 good reasons.
1, I like to play with my money.
Oh, my God.
2, I like to see my money grow. 3.
Hit me with the third.
3, I like to see how fast a hooker will blow $100.
Oh.
Got him.
Clip it. Clip it. Clip it. Clip it. Wait for it. All right. It's 3 minutes 2 right now. I think, yeah.
Yeah, you keep extended hours on. Yeah, you need extended hours for 1348. All right, back to the chart. All right, TMI, lead the way. I promise I'll shut up.
No, you go. You good. I think that so the same puts that I told you guys that I was looking at for Tesla, which was 740 puts for so this was for those of you guys who were following before. 740 puts, they're $300. They're now up 10% from where they were just about, I don't know, half an hour, 45 minutes ago. Literally, like we spoke about the puts, Gabe ranted, go back to the same puts, they're up 10% from where they were before. If this thing breaks down below this put low, which is 737, yeah, we could see this thing come back down to potentially 200 EMA, which would really start to pay out, who knows, 10-15% here, right? So we'll see how this looks like in the next few minutes here. But 130 is that cutoff for me, so I'm hoping it gets down there before 130. It's now from 340 to 350. Okay, so this is literally a play now that crossed on the 3, and if I switch over here to the 5, that's why I was just like,
it's disgusting.
It's about to cross right now on the 5. That's why I was like, yo, you got to keep going, because I'm like, this needs to stay on just a little bit longer, and it could actually play out really well to rant and then make money. I was just like, this is perfect. Okay, so for the stream's sake, I'm going to make my 11th perfect trade of the day. It was literally Gabe started ranting. I was like, all right, I'm going to get into trade in the meantime. I'm going to take a 10% win on the cross down. It's not filling yet. Give me a second. I might need to fill at 325 if this thing kicks back up. Oh, sold. Perfect. Execution. How long was that?
Yeah,
bit longer than expected, but 296 to 330. All right, so that's more than a 10% gain off the trade. Simple rules, and it's gonna continue to come back down as it crosses on the 5. All right, gangster.
Trader Joe, our bot, doing his thing.
Over 11K. Again.
That's our bot. They love Trader Joe.
I like it.
Fucking dope. All right. We're gonna go ahead and wrap things up. TMI, anything you want to share with the community before we go?
Nope. You guys got it all today. No, I'm just playing. Guys, look, the market's crazy out there, right? It is actually a very crazy market. And when I say crazy, I know everyone's saying the market's crazy. What makes it crazy is how much the market is moving, right? Which makes it very difficult to maneuver in the market as a retail investor. If you're trying to play strict with your stop losses, if you're trying to work about account management, if you're trying to learn how to, enter and exit effectively, bid-ask spreads, there's a lot going on here. What strike prices use? What does open interest mean? There are certain things that I think people should know before they get into the market, and certain things I think, we can definitely help with even after you've been in the market for a while. If you guys are interested in learning more, guys, feel free to check us out. We'll be back live again tonight. For the Discord, we're doing a Q&A. I'll tell you guys about my background, where I used to work, who I used to work for, what I learned, and what brought me into the market. And then we'll probably have a few drinks and just talk some shit, like kind of like Gabe was just now. But yeah, that's all I got for right now.
Do you guys want to see an encore tonight on that live stream? Because I can give it.
It's going down. Yeah, STV's about to fucking shit himself. But I'm gonna watch that reaction. The predictive crosses were on fire today from Algo.
All right. So when free car when AMC hits 1,000, that was
one giveaway. Tesla.
I had a lot of faith in the play. I still have faith in the play. But it is what it is. Well, it does what it does. Like, we out here making money. You see me stressed out?
Hey, 11 for 11 today. Today and yesterday. 11 for 11 so far, guys. Literally, this never happens. 100% this month. Very simple. Put it on the line with this Tesla trade here, just simply based off of the 3 minute. And I was just like, all right, getting close to the end of the day. That's the only reason why I wanted to get in a bit early, because I was like 3:30 is that time limit. But I still think we still have more downside to come. You guys saw SPY doing this thing. Got a little rejection candle here after 416. Someone said 416. It shot down to a low of 415.03 in what? In 4 minutes, in 3 minutes, and allow us to make some money. But we'll see. More plays tomorrow.
Davey D, join a Discord. We'll tell you everything.
No, seriously. Yeah. Do it all. Yeah. Like, yeah. If you're currently in anything for tomorrow, guys, I'm not holding anything for tomorrow. I still think there's more downside here, but don't forget, guys. Theta is a you know what. So, make your money, take your money. Not financial advice, but just take profit when you can.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, what's happening with Mullen? You know, play with shitty stocks, you get shitty results. I've said it. I've
What
said
is
it
it?
time and time again.
13% today. God damn.
Hey, who has that shiny DD on Mullen? Can y'all tell me how this is going to be the next $1 trillion company? I'm waiting. Yeah, I'm waiting. Whatever. We just make money, guys. All right, we're gonna see you tonight.
Wait,
It
wait,
was
wait.
fun.
Actually, wait. If you guys want to see the downside, 'cause I spoke with this before. The downside with Mullen, if you want to, I mean, shit. But look at this, okay? Look at this and understand exactly what I'm saying here. I don't know why this
Oh,
is.
you're right. There you go.
Yeah, the downside, guys, is this. You're about to see a gap down from, about to see a 12% gap down to $1 flat. Okay. If this thing breaks down below 117, keep an eye out for a 70% downside. Like, it's going to be stupid. All right. So just keep that in mind.
All right, all right. Before we go, fun question: Celtics or Warriors?
Warriors in 6.
Warriors in 6.
Warriors in 6. I'll give the Celtics, the young guns, a couple games. I'll give them game 2. They'll make it interesting, and I'll give them game 5. And then 6 is over.
Uh, I think it goes. I think it goes a full 7 games. I'm going
Full
for Golden
7.
State. Yeah, full 7
Okay,
Golden
you
State.
still think Golden State? You're saying it goes in full 7 games? Okay. Like, I think Boston is going to be like the next Golden State, right? Where it's like they could win without anybody. If they had a superstar like Kevin Durant join the Boston Celtics, they'd go on a fucking rampage and win for the next 5 years straight. But they could win without. I just think that once they play the Warriors and we both think the Warriors are going to win, they get that experience, they get that kind of like that finals mentality, and they have that loss, that suffering. They're going to come back next year as monsters. Next year they take it.
All right, Jimmy, what you just said, right? When them fucking beta men turn alpha and they learn the agony of defeat, then they're ready,
That's it.
right? That's it. You guys need to step the fuck up, right? Link pinned to the top of the comments, trade1348.com/RD. Sign up. What you waiting for? This is your chance, your opportunity to prove to yourself, prove to your mom that she wasn't wrong for giving birth to you at fucking 55. You know, just make her proud. Came out that birth canal with a loose ass fucking neck, talking about I'm all right. I'm all right. No, you're not.
Oh shit.
All right, we're done.
Guys, it's been fucking hilarious. Listen, I hope you guys did have a good afternoon. I hope you guys had a good fucking nice power hour. This is freaking hilarious. Seriously, guys, see you guys later on tonight. For those of you guys who I want to see later on tonight, I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you guys haven't yet, guys, check it out. It's a lot of fun and bullshit, but it's also a lot of fucking sick trades, educational videos, breakdowns, charts, like you name it. And we are still building. We are still investing more into it. We're still trying to build. Like, we were on a call yesterday for it was going to be half an hour. We're on a 2-hour call yesterday, but we need this for that. We need this for them. We have to break it down like this. We have to make sure people like we are busting our ass behind the scenes. And you guys don't even know the whole team. There's several people in the chat right now that are with the team that are helping to make this a great place to be. Right. So let's fucking do it.
Let's do it. All right, guys. You know how we do.